In this video, we are going to start to make readings from cumulative frequency diagrams. The focus of this video is to look at the median, which can be found up in this section here. Now, when we work with the median, we are first looking to work out what the median position is. And that uses the total frequency divided by 2 would be equal to 32 in this case. Now, a key thing to point out here is that the total frequency isn't always the top value on the y-axis. In this case, this y-axis goes up to 34, but the top of our cumulative frequency diagram is 32, which is also the total number at the bottom of our cumulative frequency there. So don't be fooled with the top of the axis. Make sure you go to the top of the curve to spot it. Now, the median position is halfway, okay? So the median is the middle, isn't it? So we're looking to split our y-axis, in effect, in half. So we're looking at this one here, okay? We are splitting it in half, which means we have a middle value there of a position of 16. So the position in this case is 16. We then draw a little line across to the cumulative frequency curve, down to the x-axis to make a reading from there. Now that is your median number, okay? So we have a median value in this case of 29.5. Okay, so step 1 is to identify the size of the y-axis. Step 2, the position is halfway on that y-axis, with the total being the top value. And then you draw a right line across and down to the x-axis to make your reading. Okay, press pause and see if you can calculate or interpret the median from this cumulative frequency diagram. Okay, so in the title we are told that this has given us the waist measurements of 40 men. We haven't got a bigger number above the 40 on the y-axis to trick us, so this is simply a case of looking for the median position to begin with by seeing what happens when I split this y-axis into two parts, okay? So the median position, remember, so the median position is the total of 40. We're splitting it into 2, gives us a reading of 20, which we can see here is the middle of this cumulative frequency axis. Looking now to make a reading, we are going to go across from the 20 to the curve using a ruler, and then down from the curve here. We can see that if we follow this outer line here, it goes down to the 92 mark, which means our median, so the actual value now, not the position, is 92 centimetres. There will be some leeway in these questions, okay, depending on how you have interpreted the curve and how thick your pencil is, for example.